For this example, we'll use 1234 as your security code. To disarm the alarm, you just press your 4-digit code. When you enter it correctly, you'll see the green check mark. If you made a mistake, just press the pound key here and start all over again.
When you go out, it's really important that you arm the alarm system for security purposes. To arm the system when you go out, please make sure that you've got a green check mark on the system first. If you see any red lights on or you don't see the green check mark, please go around the property and close all the windows, close the front door, close the back door, close the door to the garage door. And then come back here and you should see a green check mark. At that point, just press the second button circled in green, which is the empty house icon. Hold it down. You see a red light and a check mark and a beeping sound. Now you've armed the system and you're ready to exit the property.